Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a natural hair tutorial on how I achieve my slick low bun look. So the products that you're going to be needing to achieve this look is a spray bottle, and I have a spray bottle filled with water as well as some oils. You're also going to need some gel, and the gel that I'm going to be using today is the Eco Styler gel, and this is the one that has olive oil and shea butter with black castor oil and flax seeds. You're also going to be needing edge control to lay your baby hairs, and what I use is the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I lay my baby hairs down with this edge control brush. You can get everything at the beauty supply store, by the way, or at a local pharmacy, but your best bet is a beauty supply store. For your hair tools, I'm going to be using this two-sided bristle brush. One side has rougher bristles than the other side, which has softer bristles. You're also going to be needing a comb, and you're also going to be needing clips. So these are the clips that I use to lay the sides of my hair down when I'm gelling it before I put into the hair tie. And you also need this butterfly clip to section off your hair to detangle. Also, just disclaimer for my hair texture, I think I made 3C 4AB hair curl pattern. I really don't know what type of hair I have, but that's what I think that my curl pattern is, to be honest. I have a love-hate relationship with my natural hair, but it's mostly a hate relationship because I don't like my hair personally. So I'm gonna just stop there because I don't think y'all wanna watch a video of me talking shit about my hair and just putting myself down. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm gonna start by taking down the two twists in the back. And once I finish taking down the two twists, I'm just going to apply some more water onto the hair. Then I'm going to use my butterfly clip and clip away the two front twists and then apply the gel onto the back of my head. I'm just going to start brushing and smoothing out the hair before I work my way onto the top. Next, I'm going to take out the butterfly clip and take down the last two braids. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my comb and part my hair down the middle. Well, at least try to do it. And after that, I'm just going to apply some gel and some water and brush it down. Once I finish brushing down one side, I'm going to go ahead and start applying the clips to hold this side down as I work on the other side. Now my hair is ready to be put into a ponytail. Well, at least I'm going to attempt to put my hair in a ponytail. So that's what you're going to see me doing right now. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just tying up the middle of my ponytail. I don't know, I've been seeing people do it on YouTube for some reason, so I'm gonna do it too. And I'm just going to twist my hair around and make it into a bun. And once I do that, I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs. And I also bobby pin my bun, and my skin is so fucking red because of all the brushing and pulling and all of that. Watch my hairline recede, God forbid. But yeah, I'm just going to be applying the edge control onto my baby hairs and using the edge control brush just to make my baby hairs. It's difficult for me to do my baby hairs while I first do the bun hairstyle because my hair is wet, so it's hard to lay my baby hairs down because it's going to keep curling up, which is annoying. So it's a struggle, but I end up not caring after a while. And I also use bobby pins to pin the side too, just to keep my hair in place. So yeah, you're just gonna watch me struggle for a little bit until I tie my hair down with a hair wrap. Now I'm going to use a second scarf to tie it down for some extra security and hold, and I'm just praying that I get some extra flatness and my baby hairs just stay in place. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'll turn around a little bit so you guys can see the back of the head, how I did the bun. So that's what it looks like, and this is just a close-up of how my natural hair looks like. I try to do a slick bag. My hair is suavemente, so this is gonna be your reality look. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and to tell your friends.